Assalamu alaikum. Today this video about how to create a pre-thumbnails your YouTube videos. Thumbnail is very important because people look and focus your content and your video. Now going to your Google Chrome, simply going to Google. Now write Canva. Okay, this is Canva. First click first link. Okay, make sure logging must. Please login your account, basic account, for example Google's, Apple's and others. Now simply write thumbnail YouTube's, very easy. Make sure this is show a lot of thumbnails, but some template is not pre-paid. For example, this is not working for you, this is not working, this is paid. Okay, now available is also free. For example, this is free. Okay, and now this is free. To click this one, okay, customize this template. Okay, first customize this text. Okay, click this is remove all this text. How to write your title videos and write text about your video. Simple. For example, my topic today is template pre for videos. To now how to create simple, how to create free thumbnail for easy for YouTube videos. Okay, now change the size is very large, to please convert to small. Okay, now click. Okay, now these sections have put your image, very easy to go into your upload sections. Okay, for example, this is my image already available. Now going to this one, very easy. Okay, change others, for example change this sections is very easy now. And going to save this template in your PC, to going to share, click download. Okay, now download your template free of cost, and this is final work is very important. Download. Okay, my template file is downloaded. Okay, now check, see working or not. Yes, properly working. So I hope this video is very useful. I hope helping more help videos. To please subscribe my channels, like and share. Allah Hafiz.